Precision, speed, and durability can completely transform the feel of a bicycle, and the hub plays a major role in that experience. From aggressive mountain trails to high-speed road rides and compact folding bikes, the RYET Hub delivers smoother engagement, stronger control, and greater efficiency. In this countdown, 5 outstanding bicycle hubs compete for the top position based on performance, engineering, compatibility, and overall riding value. Number 5. ARC Boost Hub. The ARC Boost Hub is designed for mountain bikers who demand instant responsiveness and dependable strength on aggressive terrain. Built with a lightweight AL6061 T6 aluminum shell and paired with an AL7075 6-axle, this hub strikes an excellent balance between durability and reduced rotational weight. The front hub weighs about 150.4 grams, while the rear weighs approximately 277.7 grams, bringing the total close to 427 grams for the complete setup. One of the strongest features of this hub is its advanced engagement system. With 6 pawls and 3 teeth on each paw, riders get 114 engagement points. That rapid pickup creates immediate power transfer, especially useful during technical climbs, tight switchbacks, and rocky trail sections where every pedal stroke matters. Smoothness is another area where the ARC Boost Hub performs impressively. 2 sealed bearings in the front and 4 in the rear help maintain low rolling resistance while improving long-term reliability in wet and muddy conditions. The waterproof construction adds another layer of confidence for demanding trail use. Compatibility is also excellent. Riders can choose between HG, micro-spline, and SRAM XD free hub bodies, supporting a wide range of modern 8 through 12-speed drivetrains. The available 28 and 32 spoke hole configurations make custom wheel builds easy for different riding preferences. Boost spacing compatibility ensures modern fitment with 15 by 110 mm front spacing and 12 by 148 mm rear spacing. Precision machining, lightweight construction, and a 12-month warranty make the ARC Boost Hub a dependable performer for serious mountain bike riders. Number 4. ARC MT009. The ARC MT009 Boost Hub is engineered for mountain bikers who want strength, quick engagement, and broad drivetrain compatibility in a lightweight package. Built from CNC machined AL6061 T6 aluminum with a 7075 aluminum axle and free hub body, this hub combines durability with excellent weight control, making it ideal for aggressive trail riding and demanding off-road conditions. What immediately stands out is the engagement performance. The 6-pawl system with 3 teeth per pawl delivers 114 engagement points, producing rapid acceleration and crisp pedal response. Riders tackling technical climbs or sprinting through rough terrain will appreciate how quickly the hub transfers power to the trail. Smooth rolling efficiency is another highlight. The front hub uses 2 sealed bearings, while the rear includes 4 sealed bearings for improved stability and long-lasting performance. This setup helps minimize resistance and protects the internals from dirt and moisture during harsh riding conditions. The ARC MT009 also offers flexibility for wheel builders. It supports both 28 and 32 spoke hole configurations with 14-gauge round holes, allowing riders to customize their wheel sets for strength or reduced weight. The Boost-compatible dimensions include 15 by 110 mm in the front, while rear options are available in 10 by 141 mm and 12 by 148 mm. Drivetrain support is equally versatile. Riders can choose HG for 11-speed systems, micro-spline for Shimano 12-speed drivetrains, or SRAM XD for 12-speed setups. It is important to remember that the free hub body is specifically designed for ARC hubs and is not interchangeable with other brands. Number 3. GOLDIX Lightweight Hub. The GOLDIX Lightweight Hub is built specifically for road cyclists who value quick engagement, efficient power transfer, and dependable long-distance durability. Weighing around 290 grams, this hub set delivers impressive performance while keeping rotational mass low for faster acceleration and smoother climbing efficiency. One of the key highlights is the 36-tooth ratchet system. This design creates a bite angle of just 6.9 degrees, giving riders fast pedal engagement and immediate response during hard efforts. Whether accelerating out of corners or maintaining momentum during steep climbs, the GOLDIX Hub provides a direct and connected riding feel. Constructed from 6001 aluminum alloy using CNC one-time molding, the hub achieves excellent structural strength and fatigue resistance. GOLDIX claims the hub has been tested for more than 100,000 cycles at 250 Nm, demonstrating strong long-term reliability under demanding riding conditions. The sealed bearing configuration further enhances smoothness and durability. 2 sealed bearings in the front and 4 in the rear help reduce maintenance while maintaining efficient rolling performance. The center lock brake interface adds modern compatibility for disc brake road bicycles. Drivetrain options are also flexible. Riders using Shimano and SRAM 11 speed systems can use the Road HG Free Hub body, while SRAM 12 speed riders can choose the Road XDR option. This makes the hub suitable for a wide range of modern road bike builds. The waterproof and dust-resistant design offers additional confidence during wet weather rides. Another unique advantage is the clean logo-free surface, making the hub ideal for custom wheel branding or minimalist bicycle builds. Number 2. Lexon RYET Road Bike Hubs. The Lexon RYET Road Bike Hubs are designed for cyclists chasing maximum efficiency, ultra-lightweight performance, and refined road handling. At only 245 grams for the hub set, these hubs are impressively light while still delivering the strength and precision required for high-speed road riding. A major performance advantage comes from the 36-tooth ratchet engagement system. This setup provides quick and reliable power transfer, helping riders accelerate faster and maintain momentum with minimal delay. Every pedal stroke feels immediate and responsive, especially during climbs, sprint finishes, and rapid pace changes. The use of S and S ceramic bearings elevates the riding experience even further. Compared to standard steel bearings, these ceramic bearings offer significantly smoother rolling performance and lower resistance. Their increased hardness also improves durability under high load and high speed conditions, making them ideal for competitive road cycling. The hubs are built around modern road bike standards with 12 by 100 mm front spacing and 12 by 142 mm rear spacing. The center lock disc brake interface ensures secure braking performance while maintaining a clean and aerodynamic wheel profile. Another impressive detail is the 24 straight pull spoke hole design on both hubs. This configuration enhances wheel stiffness and improves aerodynamic efficiency while supporting stronger spoke tension distribution. Compatibility is excellent as well. Riders can use Shimano HG Road drivetrains or SRAM XDR systems for 11 and 12 speed setups. The hardened aluminum free hub body is specifically engineered to handle increased torque demands without excessive wear. Finished with a matte anodized coating and laser-etched branding, the Lexon RYET hubs combine elegant appearance with high-level engineering. Number 1. SILVEROCK Alloy Bike Hubs. The SILVEROCK alloy bike hubs claim the top position because they deliver something truly unique in the cycling world. Designed specifically for Brompton folding bikes and compatible with the 360 series, these hubs offer a direct upgrade that improves performance without sacrificing the bike's original folding functionality. The engineering behind this hub set is highly impressive. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy with an anodized black finish, the hubs balance durability with lightweight performance. The front hub weighs approximately 317 grams, while the rear with included nut weighs around 326 grams. That creates a sturdy yet efficient setup for daily commuting and urban riding. One of the biggest advantages is the support for external 7-speed drivetrains. This expanded gearing range gives riders greater versatility across flat streets, hills, and longer commutes. Combined with quick-release axles, wheel installation and removal remain fast and convenient, perfectly matching the practical nature of folding bicycles. Another standout feature is the 6-bolt disc brake compatibility. Compared with traditional rim brakes commonly found on folding bikes, this setup provides significantly stronger and more reliable stopping power. Riders gain better control and improved safety, particularly during wet weather or emergency braking situations. Wheel stability is also enhanced through the 24-hole straight pull spoke design. This creates improved spoke tension balance and stronger wheel integrity for everyday riding demands. Inside the front hub, four-sealed bearings ensure smooth rolling performance with minimal maintenance requirements. The carefully matched overlock nut dimensions of 74 mm in the front and 112 mm in the rear guarantee proper compatibility with Brompton-style frames. Precision fitment, modern braking capability, improved gearing flexibility, and dependable sealed bearing performance make the SILVEROCK Ally bike hubs the strongest overall winner in this lineup. Each of these bicycle hubs delivers impressive engineering and specialized performance, but the final choice depends on riding style and bike type. From aggressive mountain trails to lightweight road racing and practical folding bike upgrades, these hubs prove how much performance can change with the right components. Share your favorite pick in the comments and stay connected for more high-performance cycling reviews.